Hello, I'm James, and like many of you, I share a deep passion for design. With over a decade in the creative industry, I've had the pleasure of directing and designing for a diverse range of clients, from startups to established brands. In recent years, my focus has shifted towards assisting both up-and-coming and thriving industry professionals in presenting their work effectively. In the creative industry, presentation is everything, and I understand the frustrations and stress that comes along with looming deadlines and daunting learning curves. That's why Studio Innate was born, dedicated to simplifying the process of presenting your creative work. Here you'll discover carefully curated design resources from pre-built mock-ups, dynamic animations, vector and texture packs and fonts, through to the humble beginnings documented in our Starting a Streetwear brand series. Our tools have undergone hours of refinement and are designed for you to customize in seconds, providing top-level results each time. This platform is designed for seasoned professionals and those starting out in design. We've done all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. So if you have any questions or need any advice, feel free to reach out.